Monday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. So Princess Buttercup, she is with the girls. She comes down, drinks water, and eats. She's doing the pecking order thing, so she's doing okay. But my thing is that I know when I go to bed, when she goes to bed, that I'm going to. Oh, she's coming up straight up to me. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. That is really cool. She came right up to me. Except for my cat being needy. Hi, baby. So maybe it won't be a fight. I thought maybe I was going to have to chase her down and catch her up to put her to bed, but she's actually telling me she doesn't want to be in here. Hi, baby. He's staring at something. You staring at the leaf? Meow. Are you staring at the leaf? Alright, guys. Be nice over there. So this guy's got this house, the gazebo, and the heated house. He's starting to spend more time in here, but the warm ones are over there for some reason. He doesn't want to sleep in them. He's been coming in, though. Been down in the 30s. It's going to become soup. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Come on, waddle butt. Okay, would you two give me a minute? There you guys go. Yeah, there we go. Happy times. Oh good, Princess Buttercup's getting some. I gotta give her another treatment. I don't know what that is. Looks like dried poop on her feathers. So tonight will be the challenge, but to get her Princess Buttercup to go to bed. But I think the way she just walked up to me, I think it might not be a problem. Another 3 eggs. Well, I got 3 ladies who are reliable in here. Crazies. So Fred's truck is gone. We towed it into Toyota for them to fix his gas tank. Yeah, it's going to be pricey like I thought. But it'll be done right. And then we're going to put a skid plate on it so they can't drill from the bottom. Make it a little bit less easy for them. He has been so weirded out for 5 days on that thing. I've picked it up, I've swept it, I've left it off. I don't know. I don't know, buddy. I think you're broke. I think you're broke. But that's okay, I still love you. Hi. Yeah, per box. Well, it's just after 6 o'clock. And it sounds like most of my ladies are already in bed. Actually, I know that cackling sound. That means that they're low on food. Let me go get some more food. They had a big bucket of this stuff, and they're acting like they're starving. Alright, well, let me scoop the poop real quick and get some eggs if I can get in there. Alright, let's grab some eggs. We got 2, we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we got 11. Holy crap. Way to go, ladies. We've been averaging 5 and 6. Okay. And then I gotta get through the sea of red. You guys have had a full bucket of food all day. Okay, come on, move, 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 move. Thank you. Alright, let me fight my way through the crowd. So I gotta be careful because over here there's a possum. I'm not too worried about it, but I gotta worry about him. Mom called up and said that. You gotta watch. I found him. He's over there now. I threw rocks at him. I'll take 15. Alright. Enough excitement for one night. I gotta get a fire going. You guys stay safe. Have an amazing night.